Hello everybody, my name is Zoltan. Today I'm going to make an educational video today about the Bissell Power Clean Pro. I bought one of these basically because I have 3 dogs. Yeah, and sometimes they make a mess. Just like that. And I bought this to clean up the mess, and it does an amazing job. This is the Bissell Power Pro brush pet. It basically cleans the carpets. Does a really good job. It's the best one I've ever used so far. Again, Power Clean Turbo Brush Pet Bissell. Great job. So basically we'll clean the carpet real quick. We'll show you what it looks like and we'll go from there. And that's what the carpet looks like now. And I'll show you what it looks like in 5 minutes once I finish cleaning it. Because yeah, sometimes they can't hold it and they decide to go on the ground. See, that's my 3 puppies. There you go. Simba. Let's go. And this is what the unit looks like. Very easy to use, easy to clean, and like I said, it does a great job on the carpet. Alright, so let's get going here. Alright. See the nose, you got to see what's going on, right? So, okay, let's go. Well, the unit filled full, basically. That's what it looks like. All the gunky crap peed. And this is what the carpet looks like now from before. Come here, come on, get out of the way. But yeah, definitely does an amazing job. I'll have to go over it again because it's full right now, so there's still more water to be sucked out. But yeah, this is how the Bissell works. It does an awesome job. This is the best Bissell I've ever owned, and it cleans the carpet really great. Never had an issue. All you do is add warm water into the container with the solvent that you buy. Just like that. You add a cat full. You put that in the unit, and it cleans your carpet. Amazing job. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.